I'm Janae, and Olivia is playing Just Dance Dose. Okay, go.
Hi. I'm really awkward. I don't dance.
Just do what it says. Come on!
Like that?
Yes! Come on, get into it, you suck!
Do I have to hold any buttons down?
No. You just do what it says. You just mock him.
What? What type of dancing is this?
It's Muslim.
That is your favorite. What is that?
Come on, Olivia, you suck! Young does better than you. Courtney does too, and she can't even read. Come on! Sucky score. Come on! That's my favorite part. Olivia, your score is only 195.
I don't dance.
Oh, God. Okay, you're fucking up my favorite dance. I stopped it.